Oh yeah. So look at what I picked up on eBay. It's an exact copy of my car. White, with the white interior, the aero rims. It's perfect. These are super hard to find in stores. It's probably easier to find Bigfoot riding a unicorn, but if you can find one of these in the stores, pick up as many of them as you can and sell them, because they are really rare and they're pretty awesome. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we're going to be doing a mod on this car. Focus. Not this car, this car. So this is my 2019 Tesla Model 3, and today I'm going to be installing aluminum pedals. So I bought the 3-piece pedal set from Abstract Ocean. It looks like a pretty solid kit. These are just pedal covers, it looks like, and this is a cover for the dead plate with double-sided tape. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about pedals before I install them. So here's my thoughts about pedals. For this particular car, I think it's just going to be an aesthetic upgrade. It's not going to add any performance or feel to the pedals at all. These are just pedal covers. In a minute I'll show you the other pedals I put in my Miata, which are more of a race style pedals, and those absolutely do make a difference, just in the way you feel. So think about the important things about driving a car. You've got hands on the wheel, so steering wheel is very important. You've got your butt in the seat. The seats are very important. But the one thing that a lot of people forget about are the pedals. That is another part of the car that your body physically touches. And if you have the right pedals, it makes a difference. And if you have the wrong pedals, it also makes a difference. So this is my 1997 Mazda Miata. And I put some aluminum race pedals here. Dead pedal, clutch, brake, and the gas pedal. And these are actually drilled in. So they're a semi-permanent piece of the car here. They're not just covers that clip on or whatnot. If you've ever seen those clip-on style that you get at AutoZone or whatever, those are pretty garbage. They tend to fall off. They're kind of dangerous if they slip off while you're trying to use them. It's not a good day, so I'd stay away from those. These I highly recommend for these type of cars. And in fact, if you've got more than one car, more than just a Tesla, and you have another ICE vehicle or a race car or anything, pedals are something that's often overlooked, but I highly recommend them. Okay, so back to the Tesla. This is the factory set of pedals. Got a plastic dead pedal cover here, and just your brake and your accelerator pedal. The brake pedal is a cover, and this is just peels off. This one, however, is made into the arm, so you can't remove that. You just have to put a cover on top of it. And I think that's the main difference between this set that I'm going to install today and, let's say, the aluminum pedals that come with the performance model vehicles. I believe those are made onto here just like this one is. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take off the brake pedal, and you just peel it off. Comes off pretty easy, actually. See? Okay, so I'm going to start off with the brake pedal. You'll see that it's just got a little lip around the sides that you slide around this metal pedal here, and you just kind of have to muscle your way on to get this to fit. So not going anywhere. Okay, now I'm going to install the accelerator pedal, and this just has a thin lip around the edge of this stock pedal, and you're just going to slide over the tabs here to cover it up basically. Okay, so for the dead pedal, I just peeled the floor mat back to make some room here. And this is basically just the dead pedal cover. It's gonna have double-sided tape. If you do a test fit here, you'll see that these grooves just fill in the slats. And what you're wanting to do is get it as close to this side as you can, just so the tape adheres to this and makes it stay in place. So now the fun part of just removing all the backing off of this tape. Once you remove the tape, just takes this cleaning wipe and clean off the surface so it sticks. Now you just line up the slats to the groove. And you press down and hold. There we have it. All right, so here they are installed. Let's go take her for a drive, see if we can tell any difference in the way they feel. All right, so going for a drive here, and so far I don't really feel any difference in the way the pedal feels from the. So yeah, I think it's purely aesthetic, just the way it looks. It looks cool. The grip is still really good. They are rubber grips on these aluminum pedals, so you don't have to worry about your foot sliding off. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool. For the price, they're not too expensive at all. And they make the car look a little nicer on the inside. So what's my final review on these? Well, I'll tell you this. They look good. They're inexpensive. They feel comfortable, but they don't feel like race pedals. Not like my other car anyways, where you can really feel the difference. They feel pretty much like stock. I can't really tell any major difference in that aspect. But I like the way they look, so I think it was a good deal for me. Maybe not for you if you're wanting to have a more race car. If you bought the performance model, you don't need to worry about this mod because yours already came with the aluminum pedals. But this is just basically like a retrofit of the other cars, the standard range and the all-wheel drive long range that don't come with the aluminum pedals. I think it's a pretty good deal. If you'd like to pick up a pair of these for yourself, I bought these from Abstract Ocean, and I'll leave a discount code right in the description below for you to get 15% off your first order with them. Go ahead and load up your cart. Get these, get the matte screen protector that I reviewed earlier. I think these are a winning combination for the interior of the car. Let me know what you guys think. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think about this. If you like it, hit that like button. If you didn't like it, hit that like button. And if you want to see more like this, you're going to have to subscribe. If you're thinking about buying a car for yourself, consider using my code at the bottom here in the description. I've got a link for you that'll take you straight to the Tesla site, and it'll give you 1,000 miles of free supercharging when you purchase your Tesla. Doesn't have to be a Model 3, it can be Model S, Model X, anything from Tesla. You'll get the 1,000 miles of free supercharging as long as it's a Tesla vehicle. So enjoy, guys. Have fun. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.